I'm sorry. I'm sorry for keeping you waiting. The thing is that I forgot to tell him that I'll be bringing him lunch. So that's what I went to tell him.
You mean you also cook for him?
Huh. Yes, nah. You know I'm a very great cook. And he loves my food.
Really?
I'm telling you. Do you know what? He is so fond of me now. When I went back there to tell him of his lunch, he wanted me to stay behind. But I declined because I knew you were here waiting for me. I didn't want to keep you for too long.
He's a good man. He suits you.
He's not just a good man, also a handsome man.
It's true.
Let's go. Enough of him. Let's go.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. I dare say beside his head. Naka nakwaku, Abalosanadi, Nata say, Zeba Boda, I, Nepa baby Yoko, Asinadi sexy and hot, Nepa Sisi, single as
Oh, she's here. Hold on. Adeze, take the phone.
What is that?
Your husband.
Which husband? Mama, you talk to him now. Why did you call him? I've told you before and I'm telling you again, we are done with.
Says who?
Says me. I'm the one living with him. I don't want to live with him anymore.
Adeze, I think it is high time I made it very clear to you. You cannot force me to commit sacrilege by accepting drinks from different men. I gave you your hands in marriage to one man, and that is Benjamin.
Yes.
Not any other man. He is still your husband. Arrange to pack down to him.
Papa, you cannot decide for me. I am the one living with him. I know what I saw, and I don't want to see again. I cannot go back there. What is all this now? Mama, leave me alone now. What is all this?
So you mean what they are saying? Ah.
Yes. Eh?
What did you do?
Achohamu.
Adeze, is anything wrong with you? What is the matter with you, Adeze?
Nothing is wrong with me. There's nothing, absolutely nothing is wrong with me. I am so intact. You should leave me alone. Marriage or by force. Mama, you're happy with Papa, are you not? I'm not happy with him. I can't be living with him anymore.
Okay, it's all right. I am your father, and I decide who you marry.
Yes.
Are you hearing me? And I have said that Benjamin should continue to be your husband. Did you hear me?
Yes.
Are you hearing me?
Papa, I'm done with the marriage. I'm done.
Says who?
Let me bring my cane now. Come, don't worry. What are we there?
Papa, Adakwana. Now talk with our Satan.
Adeze, you have to go back to your husband, Adeze. I'm your mother. I will not advise you.
No. You are here and you are happy. You want me to go where I won't be happy?
Adeze, please your conscience. Please your conscience. Please yourself. Please yourself.
My own daughter.
Papa.
What is your name?
My husband.
What's wrong with you?
My husband.
Please. I am her father. I decide who marries her. Please. I will take no other thing from any other man except Benjamin. You must go back to Benjamin's house. What is your name?
My husband.
Better listen to me. I have a man. I am annoyed. Make sure you touch sense on this girl. Otherwise, this house will not contain any of us.
Let's go.
Mama, oh. Ngozi. Chizoba.
This like it's not supposed to be smelling like this. I've used it to only 1 week, and you're smelling like this. Mama, oh. Chizoba. Mama. Jesus is Lord. Look at Chizoba's food. Hey! Look at Ngosi's food. Eh? Look at how Mama garnished their food. If Mama, what did Mama even buy this flask? So nice. But if she want to put my own now, she will just use one nonsense plate and put my own. Eh? No problem. Let me teach them a lesson today. I will teach them a lesson. Piccolo. No problem. I'm going to wash this spoon again. Huh.
Hey, look at how they kept my door open. Eh? Ngozi! Chizoba! Piccolo! Where is this children now? Eh? You be someone was on the window. Ngozika! Chizoba! Chizoba!
Ah! Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where's your friend Linda?
No, I didn't come with her. I was just passing by. I said, let me stop and say hello to you.
Stop and say hello to me. You don't mean it. Wow, wow, wow. That's very thoughtful of you.
Thank you.
Ah! Fine girl. What's that your name again?
It's Philo, but you can call me Phil.
You can call me Phil. Wow. That's very good.
Thank you.
Come in, let me offer you something.
Okay.
Come in.
I like the way you say my name.
Wow, wow. Go in, yes.
Can you say my name again?
Wow. Philo.
No, Phil.
Phil.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you the big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John.
Mama, where are you? Mama.
Oh, you think Mama will save you, Abby? You think Mama will save you?
I am not.
Mama, hold your girls. Hold them before Boomado. Mama, me Boomado.
What is it? Mama, can you imagine this stupid boy? We're just coming back from the farm, only to discover that this idiot ate our breakfast.
Mama, did you see me? Did you see me? Mama, I did not see anything like food in this house. Mama, you know I'm fasting. You know, since yesterday, I've been fasting.
Fasting, walk you there. Fasting, kill you there. Then who ate the food?
Okay. Is that why both of you are chasing him with stick? Do you want to kill him? He will die. Mama, I will kill him. I will kill him in this house. You kill him. Yes.
You're the only brother.
You're running for nothing, no, eh? Mama will go inside now.
Piccolo.
Mama.
Did you eat your food?
Mama, no. Mama, I did not see anything like food. Okay, Mama, now, look at me. Look at me. Mama, look at my stomach. If I thought eating food in this house now, this stomach is supposed to be like this. But look at the way it is. Look at the way it is. I've not eaten any food in this house. See, I'm just respecting Mama.
Okay. Ngozi and Zoba, what is the evidence that he ate food? Mama, this boy must provide our breakfast.
You provide that food?
Mama, I don't know what about it.
Mama, hold your mistake.
Piccolo. Why you go to the Hey! Fiapa. Nka so wore bande yafa. You want to try me?
Where is it? Hi!
Okay now. This house will not contain me and that useless boy.
Where are you?
It will not contain at all. Yeah? Let's go look for him.
What are we going to eat? You're telling me let's go look for him. Look for me, I'm tired, I beg.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city.
What is wrong with these villagers? This boy almost knocked me down. Huh? But why are they chasing him? Wow, look at those girls. Beautiful girls. They look like virgins. Virgins with full breasts.
This is unbelievable.
I'm just coming back from Long John's house.
It's like you spend most of your days in his house these days. Huh? What is it now? You don't stay in your house at all?
My sister, I am only trying to be cautious. Because I'm beginning to hear rumors. And Manuzi kepu. I'm beginning to hear that all these village dirty girls are beginning to flock around my John. My Long John.
Are you serious?
I am very serious, so. And they mana
I'm only looking out for you. If you say so, no problem. But Are you sure he feels the same way you feel for him? I mean, does he love you the same way you love him? Now, belittling yourself, going around him every day, every night and day. It's not fair now. You're my friend and I have to look out for you.
Philo. Philomena.
What is it? Don't call me like that as if I'm saying something wrong. Is it wrong for me to look out for my friend?
Why are you talking like this? Eh? Luca. Listen, let me tell you. Whatever it is that you think is none of my problem. What matters is that my Long John has professed his love for me. And I believe him. So, I am not taking chances. I am ready for them.
Okay.
Let them keep flocking.
You see, quick.
Hello. Before nke mmadụ making I won't call you.
Okay, sorry. Enough of Long John. I have to start going. I have to go and make something at home.
I am cooking yam porridge and it's your favorite.
Faith, you go. I'm all right.
Are you sure? I have not finished gisting you of my Long John.
Don't worry. You can always tell me next time. For now, let me start going, eh? I wish you good luck with Long John.
Thank you very much.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'm going. Bye-bye. I'll come to your house in the evening.
Okay.
Bye-bye. And that is after I've gone to see my Long John.
Okay.
I'm going. Bye-bye. Oh.
Long John has already professed his love for me. Onyembu. She thinks she's the only one in this Umoji that likes something good. She should not worry. By the time Philomena is done with her, by the time I am through with my plans, she'll be speechless. Onyala. Lele.
Philo. Hi, Philo.
What is it? What is it? Why are you screaming my name?
Why are you angry? Okay. Is it because it's Piccolo? No, Piccolo. That's why you're angry. See, I will talk.
Talk? What do you have to talk? No, what have I done that you want to say? I know I've not done anything wrong, so you have nothing to say about me.
Is that what you have to say? Eh?
Yes.
Okay. See, Philo. See, the next time I will see you, I will tell you more about Long John. And I will now give you all the list of the girls that have been paying him secret visits. Secret pium. That will be for party 2. Call your Godson.
Gossip. Onya silly. Wait. Which girls? Who are they? I hope this Efulefu Mado has not seen me visit Long John. No. Hey, Chimo.
Mr. Long John, he came from afar. Long John, he came from city. Long John, Mr. Traveler. Opuna fugo, hey, aluema. Nekwananya ndogodo unana fukwa. Long John is our village tenant, but all our cares after him. Ikabukwa ikiria dada, wambada nana. This is unbelievable. Akama fura udiambo.
Switched off. I don't understand. Why is this guy doing this to me? Is this how he runs his travel agency? Huh? I'm running out of time. This guy is trying to block my cover. I have to do something really fast. What sort of stupid travel agency is
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler. Fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you be biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they calling you biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John. Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler. Opuna fugo, hey, aluema. Nekwananya, ndobodo unana fugo. Longer John is our village tenant, but all our cares after him. This is unbelievable.
What is it?
Huh? Did you see that? He waved at me.
Is that why you are smiling at him?
Yes.
Long John waved back at you,
yes.
And you are smiling. You should be ashamed of yourself.
So, because I waved at him and he waved back at me, when did that become an offense?
You're asking me? I'm going to tell our mother what has been going on between both of you.
So, but no now. No now, why are you like... Just tell me that you're jealous. Just tell me you're jealous because he doesn't like you, eh? Oh my God.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from...
Your husband was here. Why you were not around?
Who is my husband?
Benjamin, of course, at the madnap. With Morgan, or Benjamin. He was here. We tried reaching you on phone, but we could not.
It's good a thing you never reached me on the phone, because I wouldn't have answered you. Which husband? Did I tell you I'm still married? Yeah. Oh.
Adeze, will you shut up and stop talking when your father is talking? And now, when your name,
Mama? Mama, leave me now. What is all this?
Adeze, bear in mind that Benjamin is your husband. You must go back to him.
Papa, he is not my husband. As far as I'm concerned, I'm done with him. It is not my business, oh. It is none of my business what he has chosen to do. But you should just leave me alone. As far as I'm concerned, I have nothing with him. You should stop coming here.
Benjamin was here. And he told us everything you have been doing in his house. Including going after men. different men for that matter.
Oh, Biko can no get here. He told you that and you believed him. Anyway, I don't even blame him. He has always been a blatant liar. He will come here and tell you lies and you believe. That is your business. I have told you times with that number. I don't want to have anything to do with that man. He's not just a liar, but he's everything bad.
Adeze, you are provoking me. I will slap you.
Abia. Oh, Bayola, slap me now. Slapping me will not change anything. I will always say the truth and defend myself.
Adeze, are you crazy? Are you insane? Eh? Is it because I allow you to step your feet in this house? Okay? If I had known, I would have allowed your father to chase you out of this house. Mama, what you also? Ibonyara.
Is your name?
No.
Stop. Because you are the cause of all this. I never wanted to allow her stay with us here. Whether she likes it or not, she's going back to her husband.
I don't want to
whether she likes it or not, she's going back to her husband.
She will go.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler.
Here comes my Long John, the one and only tenant in room G. My one and only Long John.
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm fine.
Who made him your one and only?
We're just coming back from the market.
Oh, from the market?
Yes.
Welcome.
Thank you.
How are you?
She's fine. She's okay. Like I said, we just came back from the market.
Oh, that's right. So, we'll see you later, huh?
Yes, I'll come later. Long John.
I'm okay.
My Long John. My Long John. I'll see you later.
Yes, now.
Okay.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
What was the meaning of that?
Meaning of what?
You caught him when he was greeting me.
Oh, is that why you're angry? You should be grateful that I spoke on your behalf.
Can you imagine? She thinks I'll let her. We shall see.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you the biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas.
Where is this hopeless man? Okato! Who is that? Mazi, welcome. Welcome.
Please don't welcome me. Where's your husband?
Yeah. My husband is out.
Are you saying that Okato is not in this house? Or in a column?
Now you call anything the matter. My husband is out.
Okay. Tell him when he comes back that I came here. And I'm going to repeat my visit.
Is there any problem?
Just deliver my message. You don't need to ask me.
Hey. What kind of human being is this now? I asked him, is there any problem? He just left like that. Don't worry. Let my husband come back. I will ask him what the matter is.
Okato, you can't hear me. If you try me, Okato, I'm going to use him and set an example in this village. Okwanjo Okato.
What's wrong? Take it at home.
Thank God I met you here. I'm just coming from your house.
What happened?
Please, do not pretend you don't know what is happening. You are daring me in this village and I'm not going to take it.
Stop that rubbish.
I am not going to take it from you, Kato.
Stop that rubbish and talk to me. Why are you warning me?
Leave my wife alone, Okato. I have heard enough stories of the secret affair you are having with my wife. I will not warn you again.
What kind of rubbish? What a joke. What kind of joke is this?
You call it a joke? Sleeping with my wife, you call it a joke? You call it a joke, Okato? Sleeping with my wife a joke, Okato?
Hey, something must be wrong with you. Okoro, something has come over you. Wait, a rum. Did you drink? Did you take rum? It's a lavia.
I should be asking you. I should be the one asking you. See, Okato, I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again.
Okoro,
get out. Before you will hear from me.
Get out from my side. Get out. Fool. Hey. I hope you didn't tell my wife this. Okopugo.
Etiko, give original information. Give original information. Give original information.
If you care to know where I'm coming from, I am coming straight from Okato's house. And I've warned him to stay away from you. Yes!
I don't understand. Stay away from me, how?
Don't worry, you will do when the time comes. Oku naga warawara, anya naga vam mafia. You are telling me.
Why is he ranting?
I don't know. He just came back and started ranting. Huh? Come on, will you come back here?
Mama.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see my friend.
You're going to see your friend? And who will cook this food for you?
Mama, you have 2 children. One is going out, the other one is in the house.
Come on, will you shut up your mouth? Will you shut that thing that stupid gutter you come out? What is wrong with you? Eh? Chijoke is your elder brother. How can you expect him to cook for you when you are around? Huh?
Mama, nobody is disputing the fact that Chijoke is my elder brother. But he still has hands and legs. He can still make use of them. Yes, what else is he doing in this house? Oh, Buluba, that he should come and cook for you, Biko. No problem. You want me to cook. You don't want Chijoke to cook up, yeah? No problem, Mama. Relax. If I come back, I will cook for you, Biko.
Oh. Wait, come back here!
Mama, if I come back, I will cook for you, Biko. Relax.
Linda, say come back here! Don't worry, we'll come back and meet me here. I'm waiting for you.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you be biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas.
Welcome. You can be welcome. I'm here to collect the shoe I gave you to fix for me since last 2 weeks. I will take.
Break it, Snappy. Young man, your shoes are in my workshop. I'm not done with them.
Izuna, I look idiot on you. Can you listen to this idiot? What do you mean you're not done with them yet?
Young man, I'm not an idiot. Don't call me that again.
And if I call you that, what will you do? If I call you an idiot, what do you mean I should not call you that again? Don't give me my shoe, let me get out of here.
Let's go to your shop and get the shoes.
I have closed for the day. Come back tomorrow, you get.
Oh, God, give me my shoe. I should come back tomorrow. Go give my shoe now. What will be on this one? Is that what we agreed? You tell me 2 weeks. I came here today. You tell me I should come back tomorrow. Go get my shoe. I'll be go.
Young man, have you seen the size of your legs? Your shoes got destroyed because your legs are too big. I had to order some parts from Lagos to get them fixed. Come back tomorrow and you'll get your shoes.
In Apuala, you're a madman. Maserati got destroyed because my leg. In Apuala, see, don't get me angry. Don't get me my shoe. I will not leave you to give me my shoe.
Young man, tell your friend to leave me alone.
And if I don't leave you, what will happen? What will happen? Isn't that you not here? What do you mean my leg are too big? What do you mean by that?
Come back tomorrow and get your shoes.
Okay, I'm not coming back any tomorrow. You give me that shoe here. I'm even talking as if fixing this your bicycle. You give me that shoe here and now. You get him that shoe today. You shall be come back tomorrow. Isn't that listen to this idiot too?
OC, let's give him benefit of doubt. We'll come back tomorrow.
Isn't nasty? I will not do it. I gave this guy that shoe since 2 weeks ago. He have not fixed it. So what makes you think he will fix it before tomorrow? Oba me, give me that shoe here and now. You shall be come back tomorrow.
Let him be, okay? We'll come tomorrow and get the shoe.
It's because of you. No, it's not because of you. Now listen, I'll give you from now to tomorrow. If I come to your shop and you didn't give me that shoe, I will tell you the reason why they come here. See, I give you tomorrow, you give me that shoe. If not, then you not like me. You might like my action. Nonsense. Izuna, let's go. Now, get you know,
your legs are too big. That's why your shoes got
They
bad.
say you be biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they calling you biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John. Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traffic.
No, the one number.
Udodi.
No, you've not told me why Mazokolo came here and was ranting and threatening to deal with you.
I am sure that this question is not the food I asked you to give me.
Hey.
I am hungry.
This woman the food.
Let her do fast. Let her be fast about it.
Did I commit any offense by trying to know why Mazokolo came here and was ranting on you? Threatening to deal with you?
Let me eat first. It's when I eat I can have the strength to tell these stories.
No, stop shouting at me now. Is it wrong for me to know why somebody came here and was ranting and threatening to deal with you? If I ask you, your joke and me.
Let me eat first. Go and get me food. I ask you to give me food and you're asking me cross questions.
No, I will not ask you again. In fact, don't tell me. I'm no longer interested. I know
food, no questions. I'm not even interested in telling you. I need the food and not long talks. I needed to be left alone. Hey. What is the food?
Papa, I heard you ranting. What's the problem?
Your father was never ranting. I was simply expressing. Thank you, my daughter.
Let me get to you drinking water.
Have you served your father the food?
Yes. But why was he ranting?
I don't know one. Your father liked to transfer aggression to someone. That reminds me. Mazokolo came here early this morning.
Yes, you told me now. You told me.
Just that I asked your father why Mazokolo was threatening his life. Your father became aggressive.
Is that all? Hey!
If you see the way he scolded me, you will pity me.
But we'll still find out why Mazokolo threatened his life.
That one is for you. As for me, I'm not interested.
We'll find out. Okay. Let me help you.
Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Longer John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Longer John, every girl who want to have you.
My money.
Big daddy, because of you. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Longer John, because of you. Longer John, they call me Big daddy, Big daddy.
I know.
Longer John, because of you. Longer John. Mr. Longer John, he came from afar. Longer John, he came from city. Mr. Traveler. Opuna figo, hey, aluema. Long journey is our village tenant, but all our cares.
Are you expecting someone?
Huh?
Are you expecting someone? Okay, let me check.
Wait. Oh, that sounds like my sister's voice.
Your sister?
Yeah.
You mean to tell me your sister stays in this village?
No, she doesn't. She actually visits sometimes.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me put it down.
No, don't worry. I'll do that for you.
Ah.
Yeah. Just enjoy yourself.
Mr. Longager, he came from afar. Longager, he came from city. Longager, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl who want to have you. Long John, they say you be biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long
My
John,
father and my sister.
Your mother?
Wait. No, sit down. They came together to visit, like I told you.
Okay.
Yeah. You know what? Can you wait for me in the kitchen for 5 minutes?
No, I want to see your mother.
No. I don't like her face. She looks angry. I don't know why she's here. But you know what? Wait for me in the kitchen. I'll be with you shortly.
Okay, don't worry. I won't say anything. I'll just sit down.
No. Kitchen. Yes. Wait for me in the kitchen. Get up. Yeah. No, just go kitchen.
I just want to see her face.
Kitchen. Come in.
I've been looking outside. Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I miss you.
Missed you.
Listen, I'm so sorry for keeping you waiting. I was doing something important inside. How are you?
I'm fine.
Give Big Daddy a hug. Come on. Yeah. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Give me 5 minutes. I'll be with you shortly. Is that okay?
I'm John.
You like that?
Yes. I'm John.
Long John, every girl who want to have you. Long John, they say you be biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you biggie daddy, because of your John Thomas. Biggie daddy, they want to kill each other.
Where are they?
Huh?
Where are they?
They're inside.
Inside?
Yeah.
I thought you said you would introduce me to your mom.
Hey.
So why are you hiding me?
No. I'm not hiding you from her. Listen to me. My mother is not in a good mood now. Huh? I promise you, I'll personally take you to her when the time is right.
Really?
Yeah.
You promise?
Of course. Don't you trust Big Daddy?
I trust you. Huh? I trust you. Okay, should I just
No. There's no point. I'll tell you when it is the right time to meet my mother.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about the money you promised?
I have a lot of money for you. Don't worry.
Really?
Don't worry. I'll surprise you. Don't you trust Big Daddy?
I trust Big Daddy.
Give me a hug then. Let's go. This way.
Mr. Longager, he came from afar. long John, he came from city. Long John, Mr. Traveler, fine boy in the village. Long John, every girl want to have you. Long John, they say you the big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John, they call you big daddy, because of your John Thomas. Big daddy, they want to kill each other. Long John, because of you. Long John.
Long John, what kept you so long?
I'm sorry. I was actually doing some laundry at the back. How are you? Did you miss me? Did you miss Big Daddy?
I missed you.
I know.
Long John.
Mm.
Long John. Long John.
I know.
Long John.
Tell me you like that.
I love you too.
What's my name?
Long John.
AKA Big
Long
Daddy.
John, Big Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I did not bring anything for you.
No, come on. That's okay. Listen, you're my guest. I should take care of you. But it's okay. I have something special for you. But first, can I ask you a question?
Ask me anything. Anything at all you ask is okay by me.
Good. So tell me, what do people say about me in this village?
My people?
Yes.
I don't understand.
What do people talk about me in this village? Who do they say I am?
Nothing. Just a village tenant.
You, a village tenant?
You are the only tenant in our village that makes you a celebrity village tenant.
Wow. Sounds interesting. Ooh, that's nice. So tell me, do you miss me?
I missed you. Are you expecting someone?
No. Give me a second, come here.
Okay,
I'm home, my baby. I'm home, my love. I don't know why you're walking out of the sun. Let me cover you. Hey, my baby.
Hey, you remove this thing from my head. What is it? Why are you calling me your love? What is your problem? Piccolo, respect yourself this afternoon.
Amoge, wait. Are we quarreling? One says it?
Yes, we're quarreling. For you to have the mind to call me Amoge your love, we're quarreling.
Get out. Get out. See, you think I don't know where you're coming from? You think I don't know where you're coming from? Hey.
As if I care. Do I care?
No, you care. You care. See, I was on top of the palm tree beside his house. I saw how he sneaked you out and sneaked another girl in. Oh, me puta. Eh? You think I didn't see everything? I saw it. I saw it.
Nenege. Let me shock you. His mother and his sister visited. That was why I left. Oh, Allah.
Gogi. I was on top of the palm tree. I was seeing everything. Everything. I saw my own Amoge walking like this. Coming down from Long John's backyard. Hey! I was like, let me be very sure. No! And it was my own Amoge. No, sorry. Elikogi. Eh?
Wait. Piccolo. I don't understand what you're saying, but please, can you tell me the name of the girl?
Is that why you are being romantic? Hey, Amoge. I will not tell you the name of the girl. You will not hear it from my mouth. If you want to confirm it, go to Mazi Okolo's compound. That is your own confirmation center. Nonsense. If you go to Mazi Okolo's compound, if his daughter is at home, know that I'm lying. Piccolo onye ezioku. A bit to go and cut off mark anyway. Heaven is my goal. That is why I'm saying the truth in this village. Eh?
Look at you, liar, a fool. Mind your business. Piccolo, mind your business in this village. Oh yeah, Allah.
I still love you. I still love you. But you see that Long John. You see that Long John. I will make sure that his name changes from Long John to Short John. By the time I will organize the youths in this our community, youths that has muscle, youths who like Bobby, I gave you because of his stupid bicycle. They are calling him Long John. Long John. Eh? I'll make sure that their country is like he will come to Short John. Short John, like this. Let me know how you people will fall in love with him again. Nonsense. Because only you keep saying it.
Etiko, give original information. But one day, give original information.
Hey, so why you kill me?
You are trying me.
Hey, you kill me today, oh. Hey,
I'll beat you.
You will beat me.
I'll beat you.
I want you to beat me. You will tell me why you slap me. You get mine.
I will still slap you again.
Slap me again.
I will still slap you again.
See, let me tell you. If you don't kill me, I will not leave you.
I will kill you.
Kill
in this
me.
house.
Yeah, kill me.
I will kill you. Piccolo, you will be my witness. Tell this idiot to leave me.
I will not be your witness. I'm not around. I travel.
You are around. Tell this girl to leave me now.
This idiot will not leave you.
I'm warning you.
You will kill me.
I
will kill you now. Mama. But what is it? Mama?
Tell your daughter to kill me. She will kill me today.
Why are you fighting? Tell this animal to leave me.
Leave
her first. Leave me.
I should leave you. Why did you slap me?
Piccolo,
Mama,
you are here watching your sisters fighting.
Mama, allow them to fight. Allow them to fight. After fighting today, they will learn not to fight again.
Mama, if you see the dirty your sisters fighting. Hey.
Piccolo,
Hey.
you will kill me.
Kill me.
Hey, Mama, tell this girl not to insult me in this house.
As you can see, Baba is running to see, and the Eagles is about to try. I have a prize for you. Don't forget. So play with. Two rounds. Fight. I am not. Yes.
Nechijoke. Where's this woman?
I'm here. What is it? Okay.
What is going on? I'm hungry.
You're hungry?
Yes.
I am waiting for Linda to come back and cook.
Eh? So, if Linda is not at home, I will not eat. Is that what you are telling me?
I warned her, but she ignored me and walked away. So we have to wait for her to return. Yes.
Where is Chijoke? Can't he cook?
Papa.
Papa.
How can I cook when I have younger one in this house? Papa, even if I can cook, I will not. Because I overheard Mama warning Linda not to leave this house. So,
so why did your mother allow her to go out?
Oh, so you are laying blames on me now? You don't blame Muslim Kita where? Nobody will eat in this house until Linda returns. Period.
Right, okay. Where are the things to cook? Let me do it myself.
Is it not better?
Go to the kitchen. They are in the kitchen.
Okay. I will do the cooking. And nobody else in this house will eat it. Okay.
Even me, I will eat. Mama, if for that Linda, I will flog that girl. That girl is causing confusion in this house.
Okay, take enough.
I'm what I got no loud.
What is going on here? Nedi, what are you doing here?
She came to repair her shoe.
And what kind of nonsense question is that? She came to do what?
Repair her shoe.
It's a lie. A very big lie. I know this girl very well.
She's here for a different purpose. Neddy, what are you doing here?
Amoge, I won't have you insult me here. Eh? I won't let that happen.
Why won't I insult you? I will, because you are in my man's shop. You are here to take what belongs to me.
And what is that belongs to you?
Long John. Long John is mine. And mine alone. So please, stop wagging your tail around him. Else I will cut it off. Aya. Una, I'm going home.
Now I know that you're a fool. Long John is not yet your husband. Therefore, you cannot claim monopoly over him.
Neddy, there are so many men in this village you can choose from. Why this man?
This is my work premises. Please don't fight. Huh?
Now I know you are foolish and senseless. Eh? Long John can never be yours. Never.
You see? Yes. Aya, come and go. Alele, just get up and go to the house. Why are you touching me? Neddy, leave this place. Neddy, I said leave this place.